Alright, we got 6 packs left. I am going to open up the Pacific. You can get hollows in it, so that's pretty exciting. Also, missed a trivia question. Who was the MVP of Super Bowl IX between the Steelers and the Vikings in '75? Was it John Stallworth, Lynn Swann, Terry Bradshaw, or Franco Harris? Drop a comment down below who was it. Alright, here we go. 91 Pacific. This is cool. This is like a foil wrapper. Looking for some stars here. We got a Mark. Ooh, that one's a little dinged up. Mark Robinson. Eugene Robinson. Stan Humphries. Kirk Loudermilk. Matt Barr. Johnny Hector. Mike Quick. Guy's probably super quick back in the day. Terry Long. Courtney Hall. Oh, we got a Joe Montana again. Bruce Hill. Rufus Porter. What a name, Rufus. Sounds like a dog's name. Alvin Walton. Al Nuga. And that's it. Comment down below.